Hello friends, welcome to our Premium Institute channel. Friends, आज इस वीडियो में हम कवर करेंगे some important books and author MCQ of 2025. यह वीडियो आपके एग्जाम्स के लिए important है. Let's start the video. 1. Who is the author of Wings of Valor? A. Prem Prakash. B. Shikhar Dhawan. C. D.Y. Chandrachud. D. Swapnil Pandey. Answer D. Swapnil Pandey. To Above and Beyond is written by A. Shiv Kumar Mohanka. B. Dr. P. Vijay Anand Reddy. C. General Anil Chauhan. D. Burgess Desai. Answer A. Shiv Kumar Mohanka. 3. Who wrote मैंने कैंसर को जीत लिया? A. अरुंधति रॉय. B. Dr. Ananya Avasthi. C. Dr. P. Vijay Anand Reddy. D. Lalit Shaurya. Answer C. Dr. P. Vijay Anand Reddy. 4. Ready, Relevant and Resurgent 2. Shaping a Future Ready Force is authored by A. General Anil Chauhan. B. Lieutenant General Raj Shukla. C. Lieutenant General KJS Dhillon. D. A.K. Bhattacharya. Answer A. General Anil Chauhan. 5. Who is the author of Shivam Shubham, the biography of a couple? A. Vivek Singhal. B. Partab Ramchand. C. B.K. Harinarayan. D. Prem Prakash. Answer C. B.K. Harinarayan. 6. Civil-military fusion as a metric of national power and comprehensive security is written by A. General Anil Chauhan. B. Lieutenant General Raj Shukla, retired. C. Adish C. Agarwala. D. Amarjeet Singh Dulat. Answer B. Lieutenant General Raj Shukla, retired. 7. Who wrote Modi's Mission? A. Burgess Desai. B. Vivek Singhal. C. Prem Prakash. D. V.S. Ravi. Answer A. Burgess Desai. 8. Antim Din is written by A. Jaroslavas Melnikas. B. Arundhati Roy. C. Lalit Shaurya. D. Anupam Kher. Answer A. Jaroslavas Melnikas. 9. Chola Tigers, The Avengers of Somnath in Chennai is authored by A. Dr. Ananya Avasthi. B. Swapnil Pandey. C. Thangam The Narasu. D. Amish Tripathi. Answer D. Amish Tripathi. 10. Mother Mary Comes to Me is written by A. Arundhati Roy. B. Anupam Kher. C. Priyambada Jaikumar. D. Audrey Trusk. Answer A. Arundhati Roy. 11. Who authored Operation Sindoor, the untold story of India's deep strikes inside Pakistan? A. Lieutenant General KJS Dhillon, retired. B. Lieutenant General Raj Shukla, retired. C. General Anil Chauhan. D. A.K. Bhattacharya. Answer A. Lieutenant General KJS Dhillon, retired. 12. M.S. Swaminathan, The Man Who Fed India is written by A. Partab Ramchand. B. Priyambada Jaikumar. C. Vivek Singhal. D. Lalit Shaurya. Answer B. Priyambada Jaikumar. 13. Living the Vivekanand Way is co-authored by A. Thangam Thennarasu and Arumuga Sitaraman. B. Lata Pandey and Dr. Ramanand. C. Bidyut Chakrabarti and Prakash Chand Kandpal. D. Dr. Ananya Avasthi and Dr. Nikhil Yadav. Answer D. Dr. Ananya Avasthi and Dr. Nikhil Yadav. 14. Who wrote Dominion and Dharma, Reframing Capitalism Through Conquest, Consciousness and Civilizational Memory? A. Abhishek Chaudhary. B. Prem Prakash. C. Vivek Singhal. D. Burgess Desai. Answer C. Vivek Singhal. 15. Why the Constitution Matters is authored by A. Former CJI D.Y. Chandrachud. B. Lalit Shaurya. C. Dr. P. Vijay Anand Reddy. D. Adish C. Agarwala. Answer A. Former CJI D.Y. Chandrachud. 16. Ripples of Change, Gender Transformative Rural WASH Programs in India was published by A. DDWS and UNICEF India. B. Blue Crafted Digital Foundation. C. Government of India. D. UNESCO and Niti Aayog. Answer A. DDWS and UNICEF India. 17. Who wrote Wings to Our Hopes Volume 2? A. Anupam Kher. B. Swapnil Pandey. C. President Draupadi Murmu. D. Jacinda Ardern. Answer C. President Draupadi Murmu. 18. The Chief Minister and the Spy is written by A. Amarjeet Singh Dulat. B. Prem Prakash. C. Partab Ramchand. D. Shikhar Dhawan. Answer A. Amarjeet Singh Dulat. 19. Public Administration in India is authored by A. Bidyut Chakrabarti and Prakash Chand Kandpal. B. Dr. Ananya Avasthi and Dr. Nikhil Yadav. C. Lata Pandey and Dr. Ramanand. D. Vivek Singhal. Answer A. Bidyut Chakrabarti and Prakash Chand Kandpal. 20. Confessions of a Shakespeare Addict is written by A. V.S. Ravi. B. Anupam Kher. C. Abhishek Chaudhary. D. A.K. Bhattacharya. Answer A. V.S. Ravi. 21. Who is the author of Das Paise Ka Postcard? A. Abhishek Chaudhary. B. Lalit Shaurya. C. Prem Prakash. D. Captain S.N. Ahmad. Answer A. D. Captain S.N. Ahmad. 22. Sustainable Wellness of Students, a Collective Responsibility in Higher Education is co-authored by A. Lata Pandey and Dr. Ramanand. B. Dr. Ananya Avasthi and Dr. Nikhil Yadav. C. Bidyut Chakrabarti and Prakash Chand Kandpal. D. Thangam Thennarasu and Arumuga Sitaraman. Answer A. Lata Pandey and Dr. Ramanand. 23. Different but no less is written by A. Arundhati Roy. B. V.S. Ravi. C. Anupam Kher. D. Jacinda Ardern. Answer C. Anupam Kher. 24. Believer's Dilemma is authored by A. Shikhar Dhawan. B. Vivek Singhal. C. Prem Prakash. D. Abhishek Chaudhary. Answer D. Abhishek Chaudhary. 25. History that India ignored is written by A. Prem Prakash. B. Burgess Desai. C. B.K. Harinarayan. D. Partab Ramchand. Answer A. Prem Prakash. 26. Celebrating V.V. Kumar at the rate 90 is authored by A. A.K. Bhattacharya. B. Priyambada Jaikumar. C. Partab Ramchand. D. Amarjeet Singh Dulat. Answer C. Partab Ramchand. 27. The Emergency Diaries Years That Forged a Leader is published by A. DDWS and UNICEF India. B. Blue Crafted Digital Foundation. C. Penguin Random House. D. Vivek Singhal Foundation. Answer B. Blue Crafted Digital Foundation. 28. The One, Cricket, My Life and More is an autobiography of A. Shikhar Dhawan. B. Kapil Dev. C. Mahendra Singh Dhoni. D. Sachin Tendulkar. Answer A. Shikhar Dhawan. 29. Swasthya Ke Prahari is authored by A. Captain S.N. Ahmad. B. Lalit Shaurya. C. Swapnil Pandey. D. Abhishek Chaudhary. Answer B. Lalit Shaurya. 30. India, 5,000 years of history on the subcontinent is written by A. Audrey Trusk. B. Priyambada Jaykumar. C. Arundhati Roy. D. Vivek Singhal. Answer A. Audrey Trusk. 31. Kashmir Insurgency Deconstructing the State Response Revisiting 1989-90 is authored by A. Lieutenant General KJS Dhillon, retired. B. Colonel Yoginder Kandhari, retired. C. Lieutenant General Raj Shukla, retired. D. General Anil Chauhan. Answer B. Colonel Yoginder Kandhari, retired. 32. Modis Niti Shastra, The World's His Oyster is written by A. Adish C. Agarwala. B. Burgess Desai. C. Vivek Singhal. D. Prem Prakash. Answer A. Adish C. Agarwala. 33. The Stars Light the Way is authored by A. Sucheta Raj Khanna. B. Arundhati Roy. C. Anupam Kher. D. Lalit Shaurya. Answer A. Sucheta Raj Khanna. 34. Different Strokes, 1998 to 2014, is written by A. Partab Ramchand. B. V.S. Ravi. C. Prem Prakash. D. A.K. Bhattacharya. Answer D. A.K. Bhattacharya. 35. A Different Kind of Power is authored by A. Michelle Obama. B. Hillary Clinton. C. Jacinda Ardern. D. Angela Merkel. Answer C. Jacinda Ardern. 36. Vallaru Kuram Tamil Nattu Kasugal is co-authored by A. Thangam Thennarasu and Arumuga Sitaraman. B. Dr. Ananya Avasthi and Dr. Nikhil Yadav. C. Lata Pandey and Dr. Ramanand. D. Bidyut Chakrabarti and Prakash Chand Kantpal. Answer A. Thangam Thennarasu and Arumuga Sitaraman. 37. Who is the author of India at the rate 2047, leading the global economic order? A. Dr. S. P. Sharma. B. Srinath Raghavan. C. Sujit Kumar. D. Fali S. Nariman. Answer A. Dr. S. P. Sharma. 38. Janta Ki Kahani Meri Atmakatha is written by A. Jhaleo Rio. B. Bandaru Dattatray. C. Hari Singh Rana. D. Rashmi Trivedi. Answer B. Bandaru Dattatray. 39. The PMAU Coffee Table Book is authored by A. Shalini Goyal Bhalla. B. Jhaleo Rio, IAS. C. Sapna Sharma. D. Anupma Sharma. Answer B. Jhaleo Rio, IAS. 40. Original Sin is written by A. Jake Tapper and Alex Thompson. B. Claire Mully. C. Helen Scales. D. Arun Singhal and Devendra Kumar Sharma. Answer A. Jake Tapper and Alex Thompson. 41. Indira Gandhi and the Years That Transformed India is authored by A. Gopal Krishna Gandhi. B. Srinath Raghavan. C. Fali S. Nariman. D. K. Arumugam. Answer B. Srinath Raghavan. 42. Who wrote Mere Achhe Din? A. S. Ambujammal. B. Bandaru Dattatray. C. Dr. V.I. Mathan. D. Hari Singh Rana. Answer D. Hari Singh Rana. 43. Beyond the Courtroom is a book by A. Fali S. Nariman. B. Jake Tapper. C. Gopal Krishna Gandhi. D. P. S. Raman. Answer A. Fali S. Nariman. 44. AI on Trial is written by A. Sujit Kumar. B. Arun Singhal. C. Helen Scales. D. Rashmi Trivedi. Answer A. Sujit Kumar. 45. The Undying Light, A Personal History of Independent India is authored by A. P. S. Raman. B. Sapna Sharma. C. Gopal Krishna Gandhi. D. Errol Dikraz. Answer C. Gopal Krishna Gandhi. 46. Buranj, The Fragrance of Words is written by A. Anupma Sharma. B. Shalini Goyal Bhalla. C. Sarah Wynne Williams. D. Chloe Dalton. Answer A. Anupma Sharma. 47. The Book The India I Saw is authored by A. S. Ambujammal. B. Rashmi Trivedi. C. Nene Cherry. D. Sapna Sharma. Answer A. S. Ambujammal. 48. Careless People is written by A. Sarah Wynne Williams. B. Helen Scales. C. Claire Mully. D. Rachel Clark. Answer A. Sarah Wynne Williams. 49. Sanskriti Ka Panchwa Adhyay is written by A. Dr. Devendra Kumar Sharma. B. Dr. Prabhat Ojha. C. Daggubati Venkateshwar Rao. D. Dr. V. I. Mathan. Answer B. Dr. Prabhat Ojha. 50. I Am Circular, Coffee Table Book, is authored by A. Sapna Sharma. B. Anupma Sharma. C. Shalini Goyal Bhalla. D. Chloe Dalton. Answer C. Shalini Goyal Bhalla. 51. Ramanujan, Journey of a Great Mathematician is written by A. Arun Singhal and Devendra Kumar Sharma. B. Jake Tapper and Alex Thompson. C. K. Arumugam and Errol Dikraz. D. P. S. Raman. Answer A. Arun Singhal and Devendra Kumar Sharma. 52. Agent Zo is written by A. Nene Cherry. B. Rachel Clark. C. Sarah Wynne Williams. D. Claire Mully. Answer D. Claire Mully. 53. 8,000 Threads is authored by A. Helen Scales. B. Rashmi Trivedi. C. Nene Cherry. D. Anupma Sharma. Answer C. Nene Cherry. 54. Who wrote The Story of a Heart? A. Helen Scales. B. Chloe Dalton. C. Rachel Clark. D. Sapna Sharma. Answer C. Rachel Clark. 55. Raising Hare is written by A. Chloe Dalton. B. Nene Cherry. C. Helen Scales. D. Claire Mully. Answer A. Chloe Dalton. 56. What the Wild Sea Can Be is a book by A. Dr. Prabhat Ojha. B. Sarah Wynne Williams. C. Anupma Sharma. D. Helen Scales. Answer D. Helen Scales. 57. The Life and Contribution of the Women Members of the Constituent Assembly is authored by A. Sapna Sharma. B. Rashmi Trivedi. C. S. Ambujammal. D. Avi Shriram. Answer A. Sapna Sharma. 58. She for Her is written by A. Nene Cherry. B. Rashmi Trivedi. C. Chloe Dalton. D. Gopal Krishna Gandhi. Answer B. Rashmi Trivedi. 59. Prapanch Charitra is authored by A. P. S. Raman. B. Dr. V. I. Mathan. C. Daggubati Venkateshwar Rao. D. K. Arumugam. Answer C. Daggubati Venkateshwar Rao. 60. Leo, The Untold Story is written by A. P. S. Raman. B. Hari Singh Rana. C. Fali S. Nariman. D. Arun Singhal. Answer A. P. S. Raman. 61. March of Glory is authored by A. Helen Scales. B. V. Shriram and Lashman. C. Dr. Prabhat Ojha. D. K. Arumugam and Errol Dikraz. Answer D. K. Arumugam and Errol Decraz. 62 A Memories and Milestones is written by A. V. Sriram and Lashman. B. Claire Mully. C. Gopal Krishna Gandhi. D. Jake Tapper. Answer A. V. Sriram and Lashman. 63 To the Seventh Generation is authored by A. Dr. V. I. Mathan. B. Sapna Sharma. C. Dr. Devendra Kumar Sharma. D. Errol Decraz. Answer A. Dr. V. I. Mathan. 64 Who is the author of Soumitra Chatterjee and His World, Vintage? A. Amitav Ghosh. B. Sanghamitra Chakrabarti. C. Pankaj Mishra. D. Amitabh Kant. Answer B. Sanghamitra Chakrabarti. 65 Private Revolutions is written by A. Pankaj Mishra. B. Kailash Satyarthi. C. Yuan Yang. D. Tony Lidder. Answer C. Yuan Yang. 66 I Am a Soldier's Wife, The Life and Love of Tony Lidder is authored by A. Deepa Malik. B. Geetika Lidder. C. Sanghamitra Chakrabarti. D. Yuan Yang. Answer B. Geetika Lidder. 67 Who wrote Life on Mars, Collected Stories? A. Kailash Satyarthi. B. Amitabh Kant. C. Amitav Ghosh. D. Pankaj Mishra. Answer B. Amitabh Kant. 68 Diyaslai is a book written by A. Kailash Satyarthi. B. Amitav Ghosh. C. Pankaj Mishra. D. Deepa Malik. Answer A. Kailash Satyarthi. 69 Wild Fictions is authored by A. Amitav Ghosh. B. Amitabh Kant. C. Yuan Yang. D. Dr. K. S. Chauhan. Answer A. Amitav Ghosh. 70 Who wrote How India Scaled Metricton G20, The Inside Story of the G20 Presidency? A. Amitav Ghosh. B. Amitabh Kant. C. Deepa Malik. D. Yuan Yang. Answer B. Amitabh Kant. 71 Bring It On, The Incredible Story of My Life is the autobiography of A. Dr. Deepa Malik. B. Geetika Lidder. C. Kailash Satyarthi. D. Amitabh Kant. Answer A. Dr. Deepa Malik. 72 Parliament, Powers, Functions and Privileges, A Comparative Constitutional Perspective is authored by A. Dr. K. S. Chauhan. B. Amitabh Kant. C. Pankaj Mishra. D. Amitav Ghosh. Answer A. Dr. K. S. Chauhan. 73 Who wrote The World After Gaza? A. Amitav Ghosh. B. Yuan Yang. C. Pankaj Mishra. D. Kailash Satyarthi. Answer C. Pankaj Mishra. फ्रेंड्स यह इम्पोर्टेंट MCQ ऑन बुक्स एंड ऑथर्स। फ्रेंड्स अगर आपको हमारी वीडियो नॉलेजेबल लगी तो हमारी वीडियो को लाइक, शेयर करो एंड हमारे प्रीमियम इंस्टीट्यूट के चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करो एंड डोंट फॉरगेट टू प्रेस बेल आइकन फॉर नोटिफिकेशन ऑफ न्यू वीडियोज। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग।